Hi, this is Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the February 2020 BoxyCharm. Let's see what's inside. Let's check it out. Now, as you may or may not know, BoxyCharm is a $25 a month beauty subscription box that usually holds anywhere between 4 or 5 full-size beauty products. I'll post my prior review somewhere here at the end. So let's see what's in the box. It looks promising. So the first product that I have here is from Somerville, and this is the Active KX Active Concentrates, Biomimicking Peptides, Biomime-Teaks Serum, Smooth and Firm. The back of the box reads, I formulate my high-performance concentrate with a signature blend of 5 VIPs, very important peptides that work together to visibly refresh and renew skin as it firms, smooths, and hydrates. And then it repeats, I believe, in French. This is how the Somerville product looks out of the package. I don't know if you can see that. I'm sorry for the sunlight. I'm not using my normal camera equipment. And it opens like so. Get in here so you can see what it looks like. Not a huge scent. It's not flowery. Okay, on the actual bottle, it says to use AM or PM, apply 1 to 2 drops on cleansed skin, use alone with other of her active line, or layer with serum or moisturizer. Okay, so I took 1 to 2 drops of this. It feels almost like it has the consistency of honey. I'm trying to place the scent. It has a fragrance, but not anything. I don't know, maybe I have a big face, but 1 to 2 drops does not do it for me. I get enough here, but then I don't have enough to spread here or here. May have to go with a couple of more drops. Okay, the next product I have in here is the First Aid Facial Radiance Pads. These help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I don't know if you can see those. Can you see that? There we go. Looking lovely. So I'm gonna open this. Oh, it has a seal. It's not overpowering or essentially flowery or anything like that, but if you're sensitive to any even hint of a fragrance or scent, then these may not be for you. But they're like this. They kind of remind me of those like Stridex pads that we would use, or the Clearasil pads that we would use to wipe our face. Kind of bringing back some old dear memories. So the next thing is the Evio Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes, and these are made of hemp, obviously, or it's in there. And while I do appreciate wipes, I don't normally use them. I've pared down my use of wipes simply because unless I'm traveling and the place I'm going to, I don't have immediate access to clean water. It's because are these biodegradable? Do they disintegrate once I use them? I don't know. How are they disposed? So I will find out information on these, whether they're biodegradable or not, and I will post it either somewhere here or in the description below. But they seem nice. The next brand is from Ciate London, and this is their Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This may be useful because I don't use a lot of setting powder per se, because I try to keep my skin looking dewy. I do apologize for the lighting in here because I'm working off a different camera setup, so I'm trying to show what it looks like here. You see that? There we go. Ah, there it is. Okay, and this is what it looks like when you open it. It has the typical logo, typical setting powder. It doesn't have a scent, although it's supposed to have coconut in it, but it has that shaker thing. And last but certainly not least is the Luxe II Complete Sponge Set Bake Contour Detail. So it's the Bake Contour Detail. It's a little baby right there. So they call this the Complete Sponge Set. And this Create Your Own Beauty. So it's the detail blender, the precision, and the powder blenders. I mean, they kind of look similar to all the other blenders out there. This is the teeny one, this is the detail one. And it's firm, soft but firm. This looks like the Real Techniques one. And the big one is double-sided. And has that sharp corner. I like that. That might be interesting to bake with. Which I believe that is the baking one. So the things I'm most excited about is obviously the skincare options. The wipes, again, I know that I'm not that thrilled about. I don't know if these are biodegradable as well, these, but the setting powder and this liquid. Overall, what would I give the February 2020 BoxyCharm box grading as? I would give it a B plus, because this is interesting and different from the norm of getting, you know, full-on makeup versus skincare. It seems the theme for this box for me is basically healthy, glowing skin, taking care of it, making sure it's clean and moisturized before putting on any kind of base, which the setting powder, it's a nice touch. Could have had a little more of a zhuzh, for example, maybe having an actual highlighter and a lipstick. That would have been nice too. Again, this gets about a B plus. Interestingly, when I opened the box, there was no card. I don't even know what the theme is for this month, which is so odd for February. You would think February would be more heart-filled or thematic, but no. So ultimately, I see this as using brands. Some of these brands I've never heard before, but is this a chance to use this to different products? Sure. Is this a Valentine theme box? No. I do realize that at the end of the day, subscription boxes are basically a gamble. You don't know what you're going to get in the box. You could get a hint of what you might get, but ultimately you really don't have a lot of control or say over everything about the box. So you just got to keep that in mind. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Let me know what you get in your BoxyCharm in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I will see you on my next video. I hope to see you then. Take care. Bye.